Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day in my life kind of a vlog. Today I just thought of I have few work to finish after in one wedding as well. So I was like, why not vlog my entire day for you all? And as I'm not able to sit and do one get ready with me, I think a vlog may make you a little bit happy. So yeah, just now I woke up like 10:30 maybe. I know it's too early and right now I'm just gonna get ready and I'm gonna book a cab, and after that I have some kind of shooting for. So yeah, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this chicken curry kurta, and after that I'm wearing this joggers. I know it's weird, but I am not in a mood to wear jeans today or leggings maybe. This looks like patiala pant usually, so it will go really well with this. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. Okay, hi. So I just now received a parcel, and this is what it looks like. I have another one and I'm pretty excited because I think it is going to be that parcel that I was waiting for. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so this packaging is from Imported Beauty India. This video is absolutely not sponsored by them, but still I am going to show you guys what they have sent me. And yeah, oh my god, this is what the palette looks like. This one is from Colourpop. This one is a truly madly palette, and I am so excited. Thank you so much if you are like watching this right now. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Like, look at the colors, guys. I just don't want to swatch and ruin it right now, but it looks so beautiful. Love, the packaging is so cute. Again, we have this one. I think this one is their lipstick maybe. Just going to cut. Purchased one Luxe lipstick from them. Definitely do check out if you want to purchase international makeup products. Morphe, then they have Colourpop, they have so many other brands. If you want to purchase any kind of international makeup products which is going to be 100% authentic, definitely do give it a watch. I'm gonna link them down in the description box. Click the link and check them out. So I have 3 lipstick. So one is in the shade I Love This, and this is what it looks like. Oh, I have a similar color like this. Like I have this exact Colourpop shade. I have this shade right over here, which is kind of like a coralish kind of a shade, nude coralish kind of a shade. Then we have this one. This is also a beautiful nude shade. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So excited. And this is the product which I purchased from them. This one is their Luxe Velvet lipstick, and oh my god, finally I have it with me. Waiting for this one. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. Of course I'm going to wear this particular color today. I'm going to show you guys how it looks actually. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful color. It's so lightweight as well. It's such a beautiful nude.